Alright, I tried to leave, but I can't. These are all messed up, and the hot water valve is actually, not working correctly, so it's easy to leave it on. So we're gonna just take care of this quick. It's like $24 for these valves. I think it's like $12, and as long as the water shuts off, this is like maybe 5 minutes. I'm gonna find some wood and knock on some wood though, because there's a very good chance that that's not gonna happen because I have a camera on it. So let's get going. Alright, water's off. I've got 711 249 and 711 248. We do carry the handles on our trucks too, so if this goes sideways and both those handles are junked out, we can replace those as well. I have a T20. I believe this is a T25, but we happen to be lucky, and the T20 is gonna take care of this for us today. As you can see, water shut off. So, handles aren't too bad. I've seen worse. We'll reuse these this time around. We'll see how they look. Channel pincher. We're gonna just use nice and light though. These are just on there with an O-ring, so we just need to rock it and it'll come right off. Don't want to mar these because it's your beauty plate. Let's see, all I had to do was rock it. It's just this guy underneath. This is usually where I pinch my hand. Not today. And these are the most common faucet we have. If you don't have this faucet in place, it's good to get these installed. We carry these faucets in our warehouse. They're just Moen coffee bar faucets. There's an official name for them. I'm gonna get shade for not knowing it offhand, but yeah, these just pop right out, theoretically. As you can see, extremely easy to get out. This is where you would find out really quickly you don't have the water off. So we got everything off. It's good to wipe everybody down quick, because you're going to want to clean everything up after yourself. Just kind of gross, kind of yicky. Alright. This may shock you. Red or blue for cold. Ooh. Red for hot. Handles are side specific. I just want to make sure they're not going to rock too much. We'll find out. And this is why I like having these faucets. Really quick, easy repair. Most of the time you won't see them where they can go around like that. You'll actually see it where it's dripping. And if it's dripping, leaking some people would call it leaking. But if it's a dripping faucet, it's good to get it out of the way and get it taken care of. It's just additional cost. If it's sitting there operating or sitting there leaking the whole time. And we're just going to make sure that our handles actually still hold nice. Yeah, they hold pretty good. And the handles are a little bit more pricey, so if we don't have to buy a handle, I'm okay with that. They should be quarter turns, so they're in good shape. Let's get the water on. There we go. Always test when you're done, because sometimes you'll have a valve underneath go bad, and then we need to send a plumber out unless you feel so inclined to change the valve. It's not that hard to change a shut off, but you gotta shut the store water off unless there's a local shut off, and then you just want to make sure everybody's in good working order. If you're having issues, we also do have the aerators on our trucks too. Not everybody, but sometimes these aerators go bad, and that's kind of why we're seeing not quite as good a flow as we'd like, but it's not too bad, considering it's a coffee bar faucet. So, alright, that was quick, that was easy. This is an easy one to catch if you're in the coffee bar. It's a quick thing, it's a big extra for the stores if we take care of it for them. They really do appreciate it. So, gets you a big win in their book. That's what it's all about. So, have a good day, hope that one helps.